Now students, let's observe our exercise number 4.2 के some important questions belongs to your exam point of view. Observe carefully. Wow, here we have to complete this activity. We have to find the numbers with respect to this, fill in the blanks. Observe carefully, every time this ratio with this ratio with this, and again this ratio with this. This is called equal ratio concept. Watch carefully. 9 by 14 equal to 4.5 by dot dot dot. Beta 9 multiplied by what term such a way that you will get 4.5. आप उसके लिए क्या करोगे? 4.5 को 9 से डिवाइड करो. ओए 9 5 are 45 है ना? 9 into 5 45. यानी is it possible to write like this? 9 multiplied by 0.5, so it becomes 14 multiplied by 0.5. न्यूमरेटर अगर 4.5 दिखाई दे रहा है तो मेरा डिनोमिनेटर भी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0.5 आएगा. यानी we will write 4.5 completely divided by 7.0 and this is my fill in the blank. समझ में आया कितना आसान है? ऊपर जिस नंबर से आप मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो उसी नंबर से आपको डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करना है. इसी को तो इक्वल रेशियो थ्योरम प्रॉपर्टी कहते हैं. नाउ वॉच सेकंड. वंस अगेन 9 by 14 equal to here divided by 42. क्या बात है? 14 से किससे मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 42 आएगा. ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली. टेबल बाय हार्ट होना चाहिए. वॉच इट. कैन आई राइट 14 multiplied by 3? Yes sir. 14 3s are 42. So my numerator also 9 multiplied by 3. That is clear. What is 9 3s are? 27. So here your numerator is 27, which is the fill in the blank, and denominator 42. Second आपका रेशो भी कंप्लीट हुआ. कम ऑन वॉच थर्ड रेशो. ये वाला 9 upon 14 equal to dot 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 3.5 equal to. क्या बात है, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है बॉस. 14 is greater than 3.5 ना. You know what? 3.5 का डबल कौन होता है? 7. 7 का डबल कौन होगा? 14. तो डबल डबल 2 बार है. इसका मतलब 14 को अगर हम 4 से डिवाइड करें तो मेरा आंसर 3.5 आना चाहिए. इट मीन्स लाइक दिस 14 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1/4. इट मीन्स 4 से डिवाइड किया तो सेम प्रोडक्ट ऊपर भी आना चाहिए. 9 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1/4. इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन? So what about your denominator? Yes sir, 3.5. Keep it as it is. 4 से डिवाइड करो. Orally 4 2s are, देखो 4 2s are 8. Decimal point. Remainder 1, that is 10. Once again 4 2s are 8. Remainder 2, that is 20. And 4 5s are. सर इतना क्यों करते हो यार? 9 का डिवाइड बाय 4 यानी पहले 9 का आधा करो 4.5 4.5. 4.5 का आधा करो 2.25. आ गया ना मेरा आंसर. दिस इज माय न्यूमरेटर. वंस यू कंप्लीट दिस सॉल्यूशन, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर you have to mention your final answer once again. So you have to rewrite this question like this. Therefore 9 by 14 equal to 4.5 divided by 7. Yes sir. And try to block it. equal to denominator 42, numerator 27, and block your answer like this. Then only you will get a full credit. Here also 2.25 and block your answer like this, completely divided by 3.5. Yes, this is your final answer such a way that you will get a full credit. Is it clear? Yes. Let's watch next ratios. You have to write a simplified ratios, whatever the given in a word terms. Ratio of radius of the circumference of the circle. See, radius and circumference. These are the two terms required for the ratio. We will write like this. Solution. Observe carefully. Ratio of radius to the circumference. Let's write down like this, beta. Radius of the circle BR. This is assumption. You can write let the radius of the circle equal to R. And circumference equal to 2 pi R. This is circumference standard formula. And remember, what is required ratio? मेरा required ratio क्या रहेगा? Therefore, required ratio, which is equal to radius upon circumference. Is it clear, everyone? Write down. Radius belongs to R, circumference belongs to 2 pi R. Which term can be cancelled? Yes, sir. Radius. So, finally, 1 divided by 2 pi. But we have to write our simplified ratio in ratio form. So, my answer is, therefore, required ratio. You can write complete statement. Required ratio of the radius of the circle to the circumference equal to 1:2 pi. This is your correct answer. Simple है? Hey, once again. Ratio of the diagonal of a square. किसका रेशो है? डायगोनल का और साइड का. अब इसमें दो तरीके हैं. एक तो ये वैल्यू रिप्लेस करके आंसर निकाल के रेशो निकाल, या तो बिना वैल्यू रिप्लेस करके भी सेम आंसर आएगा. देखो मैं क्या लिखता हूं. सिंस diagonal, observe carefully all of you, diagonal of a square equal to under root 2 into side. This is standard formula to find the diagonal. Always remember. तो यहां पर मैं क्या लिख सकता हूं? Side of the square. देखो, side of the square, that is already given, equal to 7 centimeter. This is given. अब चेक करो बेटा. Therefore, diagonal of the square. What is diagonal of the square? Equal to under root 2 multiply by side, which is equal to 7 root 2 centimeter. Now, what is required ratio? अब देखो ये कितना आसान है. Required ratio. Here, required ratio, which is equal to beta diagonal and divided by side. Just note it. कैसे आएगा? डायगोनल कौन है? 7 अंडर रूट 2, साइड कौन है? 7, 7 7 कैंसल, which belongs to under root 2 by 1. So finally, what will be the final answer? Therefore, required ratio, observe carefully, required ratio, this is my final answer, boss, which is equal to under root 2 is to 1. Yes, this is only the correct answer. Now, let's move on this comparing the following given ratios. ये भी क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में यूनिट टेस्ट होने दो या सेमेस्टर होने दो, ऑलवेज इन बिटवीन दीज कॉन्सेप्ट देयर विल बी अ प्रोमिनेंट क्वेश्चन. देखो, अंडर रूट 5/3 and 3/7 we have to find the comparison. Let's watch. First of all, everything it should be in a under root sign. That is more better to compare. Say under root 5 by 3 and 3 by under root 7. Hey, dear students, observe carefully what I'm going to show you. You know what? This 3 we have to present in a root sign. So what you people will do at the place of this numerator and this denominator? Observe carefully. We will write like this. Multiply by 3 will be in a square root. Yes. 3 3s are 9. 9 ka root 3. Multiply by 3 again will be in square root. Yes. That is also under root 9. Now do one thing. Watch it. Under root 5, under root 9, under root 9, under root 7. If you observe carefully, तो मैंने यहां पर बीच में थोड़ा जगह छोड़ा है. क्यों छोड़ा है? देखो, second denominator you have to multiply to the first ratio at the place of numerator and denominator. And first denominator you have to multiply at the place of numerator and denominator to both terms. Under root 9, under root 9. Sir, ऐसे क्यों किया? Hey, observe carefully. Denominator multiply to both numerator and denominator to the first fraction. This denominator multiply to both numerator and denominator to the second fraction. Now, root 5 into root 7, root 35 divided by under root 63. Again, root 81 divided by under root 63. Wow! Observe carefully. Is it possible to write like this? Under root 81 is greater than under root 35? Yes, because we know that 35 is less than 85. So, second ratio is greater than first ratio. So, therefore, or you can say that is under root 5 divided by 3 less than 3 divided by under root 7. This is the correct answer. Hey guys, one more thing. Remember this. While solving the inequality or comparing exactly towards left hand side, don't use therefore sign. While solving the inequality or inequation, we have to write that is only. That is. Once again, one more question. ये तो और आसान हो गया. सर कैसे? यहाँ पे कोई रूट कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है, लेकिन देखो मैं क्या कर रहा हूं बेटा. 5/18, 4/17. एकदम सिंपल फंडा है. इसका डिनोमिनेटर लेके दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो. मल्टीप्लाई बाय 17, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 17. यस, इसका डिनोमिनेटर लेके दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो. मल्टीप्लाई बाय 18, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 18. Now watch your new ratio. That is 85 बाय, डोंट ट्राई टू मल्टीप्लाई, मेरे को बड़े नंबर का मल्टीप्लाई करने में तकलीफ होता है, हमें उसका कोई काम नहीं तो क्यों मल्टीप्लाई करें, बिकॉज आई नो वेरी वेल दिस एंड दिस दे आर आइडेंटिकल। अब देखो व्हाट अबाउट नेक्स्ट, 72 divided by 17 into 18. Wow, that's great. Easily you can compare. How? Instead of this, is it possible to prepare like this? Why? Because we know that 85 is greater than 72. इसका मतलब मुझे बोलो ये फ्रैक्शन में कौन सा एलिमेंट आपका परफेक्ट लेस देन ग्रेटर देन में है? यस, दैट इज माय फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन 5/18 which is greater than 4/17, and this is only the perfect answer, that is 5/18 which is greater than 4/17. Perfect answer. Now you must understand these all concepts very nicely and very wisely. Is it clear? That's it.